Assalamu alaikum, bismillah. Welcome to Quran Reset. 30 days with the Quran. I'm Galal Radwan, and we are here in this month of Ramadan. We're trying to get back and reconnect our hearts, our homes, our children with the Quran. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Okay, yesterday you encouraged me to start. Don't ask about the age, and alhamdulillah, I want to start. So, today I will tell you your roadmap from A to Z. Like you don't know anything about Arabic, and then you can say like, okay, you have like one-on-one class with me on Zoom. And now we will start by our curriculum, how to read Arabic. So you will start by alphabet, to memorize them by names and recognize them by themselves, and then in the words. I can know all the alphabet, the names of the alphabet. This is a good step. Step 2, you will go for the short vowels. I will tell you this is a letter, you tell me ta. I will put fatha above it, like dash above it, you will say ta. And then practice al-fatha, ba, ta, tha, ja, and words with al-fatha, and then go for the second short vowel, kasra, and then dhamma. And then step 2, the long vowels. And after you master the long vowels, you will go for the sukoon. And then another step, alright, with a lot of examples, maybe 3, 4, 5 classes according to how fluent you get in this lesson. And then tanween fatha, tanween kasra, tanween dhamma, and then shadda, shadda fatha, shadda kasra, shadda tanween, and stuff. And then now after that time you will be able to read the Arabic words. And then you read a lot of examples, you can read, that's good. What else? I will tell you how to stop at the end of the sentences. And then some rules of tajweed. Alright, like noon shadda, mim shadda. Now we go closer to the Quran, and noon sakina and tanween mutaqariban mutajanisan, the letters together. That will help you even if you want to learn Arabic. So the tajweed course will help you, and how to read in general, that will help you even if you are a beginner in your journey in Arabic in general. But here I focus on how to read Quran. That's why we add tajweed at the end of it. Once you are able to read, alhamdulillah, we will go for a lot of examples. In the same time, we can go for reading in a certain age. We can start memorizing the short surahs to help you, because listening and memorizing will help this process. This is one of my strategies. Like, we don't stay a lot of months just reading. No, reading, and also we can start memorizing the short surahs that will help you to memorize these clusters of letters all together that will be in your brain. So that will accelerate your journey in reading. That's it for today. I hope that open, the map, now you understand. You go 1, 2, 3, 4 for the steps. And then if you want help, you can ask me on WhatsApp and start together this journey. One-on-one classes on Zoom. I hope that was beneficial today. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. See you inshallah tomorrow with another tip.